Let's start with the optics. This smart cam packs an 8-megapixel professional sensor, capable of capturing in stunning 4K resolution. Whether you're keeping an eye on your pets, your kids, or your front door, you're getting seriously crisp footage. But here's the real kicker. It features a large f/1.6 aperture. That means it excels in low light, and with HDR mode, you're getting balanced images even when lighting is less than ideal. And yes, night vision is on board. The 940 nanometer infrared fill light gives it the ability to see up to 10 meters in the dark. That's like having eyes in the back of your head. And at night. Now let's talk intelligence. At the heart of the Smart Camera 4 is a flagship-level 1T computing AI chip. This isn't just any processor. This thing enables dynamic human and pet tracking, so it can follow motion intelligently across the room. Whether it's your toddler crawling across the floor or your cat plotting its next leap, the camera stays locked on without missing a beat. Thanks to its dual motor gimbal, you get a 360-degree horizontal and 109-degree vertical viewing angle. That's full room surveillance, no blind spots. And privacy? Covered. It features a built-in lens shield for peace of mind, plus dual-band Wi-Fi 6, a 4-layer security protocol, and Xiaomi's Mijia security chip to keep your data protected. Let's not forget about the everyday conveniences. The Xiaomi Smart Camera 4 supports two-way voice chat, perfect for staying connected remotely. Smart babysitting mode, to keep tabs on your little ones. H.265 video encoding, so you get high-quality video with smaller file sizes. And yes, up to 256 gigabytes of local storage supported, perfect for anyone who prefers to keep their footage offline. And hey, a 256 gigabyte SanDisk Ultra card is under $20 right now on Amazon. So, is the Xiaomi Smart Camera 4 worth it? At just $34, it's honestly a steal. With premium image quality, smart tracking, full room coverage, and real privacy protections, it checks every box for an entry-level smart cam. And while there's no official global launch yet, Xiaomi does offer a similar model, the Smart Camera C700, in international markets. So keep your eyes peeled. What do you think about the Xiaomi Smart Camera 4? Would you add it to your smart home setup? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the latest smart tech. Thanks for watching. And we'll catch you in the next video.